Hi, so here we are, we're at Cors Caron, and this is kind of a larger wetland nature reserve on the banks of the River Teivi. It's home to more than 44 species of different kind of insects, animals, other wildlife and fauna. Cors Caron also contains 3 significant raised bogs that started forming over 12,000 years ago. And these bogs play an important environmental role in trapping and absorbing carbon dioxide. In fact, peat bogs are more effective even than any trees in their natural carbon capture. If you want to follow more of what I'm doing on my walk through Wales, why don't you come with me now as we head over to Strata Florida.